Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to hide Zodiac sign on Snapchat step by step. Open Snapchat and tap your profile icon at the top left. Tap the settings gear and scroll to profile information to locate Zodiac or birth date options. Select the field and choose to hide or remove your birth date to prevent the Zodiac from displaying. Save changes and refresh your profile to confirm the sign is no longer visible. Go to Friends or Privacy settings to ensure Zodiac isn't shown elsewhere. Remove birth date from Snapchat memories and connected apps that might autofill profile data. If you use third-party apps, revoke permissions from account actions to stop syncing birthday info. Double-check your Bitmoji and linked accounts for any visible Zodiac stickers. Finally, clear cache and relaunch the app to make sure all profile changes propagate across devices and to friends. Quick recommendation: if you enjoy reading while fixing settings, try the new Kindle Paperwhite for crisp text and long battery life. It's great for reading guides and manuals on the go and fits easily in a pocket or bag. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Check the description for the Kindle deal and other offers, and thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. To verify success, view your profile from a friend's account or use the View as feature if available. Ask a close friend to check whether your Zodiac appears in chat or on your profile. If it still shows, revisit each step and ensure no backups or account syncs restored the birth date. Consider contacting Snapchat support with account details if the sign persists after clearing caches and revoking third-party access.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.